Happy Saturday. Yes. Today is Saturday. I don't know why I'm clapping. But today is Saturday, y'all. Hopefully you enjoying your day. It's like early. It's almost 9:30. Which I kind of feel like I'm getting a late start because I think the mall opened up at 10 o'clock. And I'm going back to Bath and Body Works. Oh my goodness. But today I'm going to exchange 2 candles. Remember on my candle day, I bought 4 of these. This is the marshmallow fireside, and I only meant to buy 2. So I'm going to exchange 2 of them. Hopefully I could get 2 more of those smoked vanilla, even though y'all know I really don't like vanilla, but for some reason that one smells a little bit different. I love the way like that smoke sitting by the campfire, or when you light your fireplace. I love that smoky scent. It just makes you think about your childhood. My grandparents, you know, had a farm, and you know, they didn't have like, you know, the modernized stuff in their house, like, you know, so in order to keep their house warm, they always had a fireplace going, always. So that's what that makes me think about, you know, back then, you know, that wood burning smell. And that's the reason why I love fireside candle. Make sure I ain't got no lipstick on my teeth this time. But yeah, I'm going back and I'm gonna try to exchange those 2 candles for the smoked vanilla. Hopefully, the reason why I'm going so early is because I think they only had 2 of those candles left. So I'm trying to get there. So yeah, like I was saying, yesterday they only had like 2 left. So I'm hoping, fingers crossed, I'm hoping that they still have those. I can't remember if it was 1 or 2, but they didn't have a lot of them. So I'm hoping that those candles is still there. Also, before I get this video started, don't forget to subscribe. Click the thumbs up. Leave me some comments at the bottom. Also, I want to say welcome to all my new subscribers. Welcome to my channel. Also, I want to say what's up to the people who've been rocking with me from day 1, or if you've been here for a while and you continue to come to my channel and check my videos out. I really appreciate that. Thank you for always coming back. I really appreciate that. Also, don't forget to watch my entire video. It helps out my channel. Y'all just don't know how much that helps my channel when you watch the entire video, when you subscribe, and when you also click the thumbs up button. That helps my channel, y'all. Let's get this video started, or let's get this trip to the mall started, because it's like it's 9:30. It's gonna take me about 20 minutes to get over there. Hopefully they have the candle that I want. If they don't, I might have to go to another store that's 20 minutes away from that store. So yeah, let's go. Okay, I thought the store was on Christmas, the mall was on Christmas hours, but they're not, and they still closed. So I decided to come to Nordstrom real quick because I actually need some eyeliner from MAC. Fluid line. Man, this stuff $20 now. I remember it used to be like $16, but it costs more. So now I'm on my way up here to Bath and Body Works. Hopefully they're open, but if not, I'm just gonna sit outside. I'm gonna just sit outside of the store because I think it's like 5 more minutes before they open. Come on. I just knew the store would still be on Christmas hours, but of course they're not. The Bath and Body Works gate is somewhat halfway open, but it's not open. So I have to turn it back on, yeah. But they had the candles. So I'm just gonna exchange those candles real quick and then be out of here and on to the next store. I've been looking high and low for these 75% candles. And this nice lady, Said today.
These are the ones that I have.
And okay. Today is my lucky day, y'all. And this is what they have. This 75% too? This gotta be. Really?
Yeah, the girls just put it there. We need to do a pillow.
Okay, I think I'm gonna take them all. Okay, let's see. We got this. And then those little candle things right there. How much are those?
Which one?
In the little box right there. Those aren't for sale.
Oh, not for sale. Okay.
Oh, bummer.
Look at me.
And of course, my hands is full. But as y'all see, this is that pumpkin pecan waffle. Butterscotch toffee. Flannel is what I absolutely love. This coconut one. And a salted pretzel. I guess these items right here is 75% as well. But y'all know we're not looking for that. And then of course I got my 20% off of 25. But I'm gonna tell y'all. Thank you so much. You did the same. Thanks. I'm gonna tell y'all, when y'all come into these stores, make sure you have your coupon ready, because for some reason inside of these stores, internet kind of sucks. So just like what I did, for some reason my coupon, I couldn't get it to come up, but luckily she said that she had the code. I had a screenshot of the Retail Me Not coupon, and of course my store don't take those, but like I said, she had the code. So I'm gonna run down here to these other stores real quick. Guess I missed the Lush sale. Stuff is 50% off, but they don't really have that much. So I'm just gonna skip on that. I'm gonna skip on that and just head out. Back in the car. Like I said, I was exchanging those other two candles and I wanted two of these, which is the smoked vanilla candle. Amazing. And come to find out, this candle was first released in 2016 and they just finally decided to release it again 3 years later. So I like it. And I don't usually go for the vanilla scent, but for some reason this candle smells a little different and I'm not sure why. Maybe it's the sandalwood and the bourbon that's in it. I don't know, but I actually like it. So I got two of those on an easy exchange, which was surprising because this candle, this is the 2650 candle. So when you exchange, like Candle Day, I bought those other candles. I think I paid like maybe what, $6 for them, I think. $6 or $7, somewhere up in there with the coupons and all of those stuff. So this candle was $26.50, and if you were exchanging for one of these, you had to pay the extra $2. So because they're all $10.50, it was an even swap. Saving. So yeah, that was good. And then I am so happy that I asked her if they had any 75% candles. They had 6. No, they had 5. This is the and it's all food candles, it looked like. But I was so surprised that they had this. This is butterscotch toffee. Smells super creamy. Yeah, buttery, caramel, bourbon, and toffee. It smells like caramel, like one of those caramel candles. This is nice. And I had already showed y'all this stuff. And this is salted pretzel milkshake. I smell coconut. So it's vanilla, chocolate, and pretzel. So that's what this candle is. And then this is the a coconut one. Waikiki Beach coconut. Coconut, saltwater breeze, a wood scent. So that one. This is the pumpkin pecan waffle. And it has maple syrup, waffles, pumpkin spice, and brown sugar. Smells yummy. I really smell that maple syrup in this one. Yes, maple syrup. And what was the last one? The last one is flannel. I love flannel. It's just that I have so many of the flannel candle. I love flannel. And flannel is like one of those manly scents, like the mahogany tiki wood, kind of sort of in that family, but not as smoky as that one is. It has orange peels, patchouli, and a soft musk note. Yummy. So basically that's all I got. Yeah, that's all I got. I'm not sure. I was gonna go to Victoria's Secret because I seen that they had buy 3 of the underwear, get 5 free. I started to do that, but I decided not to because I think their underwear is like $12. So basically when you buy 3, it comes up to that same price that they normally have them at. So I decided to pass on that. So like I said, y'all, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up the video, leave me comments at the bottom. Y'all be safe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.